Inside the camera application of the new Lineage OS 20, so what does it offer? It offers first of all the grid option, timer option as always as usual. It also offers a bunch of settings like bright screen, which was a good setting in the open camera app. It is directly fetched from there. Also there is save location data option, and also there are a couple of modes as well. Capture latency, if you want to capture in best quality, change this quality to best quality, and you can also enable the image stabilization when available. If your hardware supports it, it will gonna be there. Also the video supports EIS, electronic image stabilization. Also you can use OIS if you have a good phone, if you have a flagship phone. Also you can preview it. If it is available, you can preview it right straight away. Also there are a lot of features added in this new application. If you go to video settings, and if you just uh, start recording the video, you can obviously record the video without any issues. Now this application is very much stable. If you just touch over here on this button, you will see a couple of more options. If your device supports 4K, 4K will gonna be available. Also you can switch the FPS 30 or 60 FPS. Although 60 FPS is not available, you can go to as low as 480p. You can disable the microphone, adjust the grid size, and go to settings of the video as well. So if you go to the video settings, this option will gonna be coming in front of you. Thank you so much for watching. I will gonna be seeing you in my next one.